Hi everyone, this is how you can print out your WAEC results using our WAEC result printing portal. We have 4 countries available now for the printing. Now let's do the example with the Gambian. When you click on the Gambian being the country, you see the instructions here that we are not encouraging scamming but only for urgent needs such as job interview or whatever that needs WAEC result. Okay, now what you're going to do now to print out this your result is to put in the candidate name, the exam number and the school. Let's say let's use the candidate number to be something like 2020 008 for our candidate number, and then for candidate name, let's select anyone we have here. Let's select something like Kingsley E. Baby here. Okay, now we're going to select our school. The school, let's use something like uh just example. Okay, just example secondary school. Let's just use something like this. Okay, this will be our example. Let's change everything to capital letters. Okay, now let's change the school also as well to capital letter, please. Okay, then this example we are using here, in place of this exam type, are you a school candidate or a private candidate? Let's select private candidate. Now the year of exam, we have series of years here to select. Now let's just select that the exam was this year 2022. The next thing now is to select the subjects and select our grades. The subjects will be, let's first of all use geography, and let's say in geography we had A1. Okay, let's use English now. Let's select English language. Now let's select C4 for ourselves. Now let's select the next subject, which will be let's check mathematics. Now we have select now that our candidate number should be 2020 008. Our candidate name should be Kingsley Akpabio, and then the school should just be just example secondary school. Then we are private student and the exam year was 2022. We select our geography to be A1, English to be C4, mathematics A1, government B2, agri science A1, history B2, health science C4, science A1, and then French A1. Now we have these three options down here. The options, they are for different things. The printout which we are going to do the example now is to print out the result. It will give you the exact printout of your WAEC result. Okay, but this will not upload to the database. Meanwhile, the upload here is for people that don't even have their WAEC already. They did not write WAEC, but they want it to be uploaded to the database. The price is negotiable, but if you are using this platform, it has a fixed price, which if you follow the link, you're going to see the price that is being listed. Okay, but it's for people that have never written WAEC before, while the update here is for people that wrote WAEC but maybe they had F9 or their subject was not complete. Maybe they had absence in one of their subjects and they want to update. They are going to use this update button to update this information that is on the screen to the database. Now let's go on with the printout. If you click on the printout, it will give you this interface now. Okay, just click on this print result. You're going to click on this print result that is here. Okay, click on the print result, and it will give you exactly your WAEC result. This was what we selected earlier, that our candidate number should be this, our candidate name should be this, school, and then the year, and then the private student. Meanwhile, we also have our subjects and grades being what we selected. Okay, so it's very simple. You can now save it as PDF for your further printing, or you can just print it out directly if you're connected to the printer. That is all for now. If you need more updates on WAEC printing, NECO printing, and JAM updates, you can always contact us. Our number is below the link.